Hey guys, just this is my thing. Look, if you can see the three bubbles, that means O3, ozone 3, and this is a good one, man. I'd be very careful. I don't know if you can even buy them anymore. They told me I got bought the last two, and I've got 5 of them here. They burn out, but one of them, it fell a bit sink. But see, I put it into the water, into the filter. Victory! They cut off the league, so I think we finish up the best in the league. Well, it's like there's 3 teams that won 4 premierships, but we won the triple in 1 year, and we won the most game. We're the best, man. They had to like get Western Sydney. You didn't even win one. I told ya, you haven't won a championship. I went 5,000 buddy Western Sydney supporters one time because they put them all in one go in the soccer, and they were telling everyone to sit down, and I wouldn't sit down. I was kissing my chain saying, bring it. None of them, they all loved me. The Western Sydney, they're all steroid guys. They were climbing the bloody cages, man. It was hardcore, but I went 5,000 of them, man. I was like, nah. Even the cops said, these guys are going to kill you, man. And then when I went out there, they were like, you're a legend, man. Like, you stood up to all of us. And it was like, yeah, he's going to kill me yet? Like, whoa. But nah, respect, man. Stand up. This may be the last time that I'm with you. I don't know. I got my ways, you know, this is a backup plan. Alright? I got a better plan than that, man. And I got my thing, and it's not a nice way to go. I don't want to lose my crown, but I don't want people fucking with my crown either. That would be a way to lose your crown. You know? So, and I ain't got pissed off enough people over the years. But hey, just know, I die because I bring you the truth. Everyone jacking on my phone. Watch. I hope you watched all my old gardening videos. I lost so much weight. Look, I put on weight, man. Like, you know, I was smoking weed and stuff. Like, but, man, it was good for me. I was happy. Did anyone see how happy I was? Now I'm like bloody, you know, I love all of yous. All this stuff on the ground, I put all pellets on the ground. There's mice starting to come in. I hate vermin. It's part of my German. We kill vermin. Like, but before I used to kill vermin. I've always killed vermin. But, I don't know now. Everyone's so twisted. I don't know whether, like, they even know what they're doing. Oh, shut up, ads. Stop ads. God, who hates ads on this crap? And I won't do their free trial because it's more consent. It's just consent. Oh yeah, you want to see a chopped phone? Look at this, man. I chopped my phone. Hey. I was like, I just hate the tech, man. Spy me. Look, see, I'm mopping stuff. But just, it's hard being a single guy. I need a woman, man. I need a woman. Look, the beers are stacking up, girls. I need a woman. Come on. No, this is my Tinder ad. No, Tinder. Stop that. They'll send a freaking agent. They'll kill me, man. Or I'll get body snatched. Anyway, that's a good ozone. And look, you got to run it downhill. And I breathe it in through there just a little bit. If you get a really good breath of that, that'll rip your lungs apart for 2 days. So if you hear me coughing, it's not COVID. It's like me, I probably breathed in too much ozone. But Corona, they call it. Look at that. Not many people will do that. That's like a $500 phone. It was a good one too. All these phones are cracked I got because I throw them around. My one good one I just cut in half. I just snap. I don't know. They're crap. I wake up and they start going beep, 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 beep. It's like, I'm awake. Yeah, you know I'm awake. You listen to me in my sleep. And all I do is dream about girls and stuff. They must be thinking, man, this guy's a honey bastard. I need a girlfriend. I love this song. Oh, yeah. I better do this. Pause. Start.
My friends are so depressed. I fear the question of your loneliness. I'll be on your side. No, I will. You know
I'll be there in spirit, man. I saved 3 hollow tips. It's supposed to be supposed to save my ex-girlfriend from the chip. Seven years, man. Alright, for being sad. All of you hurt by the cold. I don't even drink or smoke, but if I can't get weed, man, I start smoking passion flower and crap, man. Like, it's alright. Like, it smokes alright. I got off cigarettes in like a week. I've only smoked 6 months, man. But like, you know, look at my punches. Look, can you see them? They're like perfect triangles. They're almost like freaking, like, that's my mate's, the one there, here he is. But yeah, I was like, punch your food, take it out. He was really, really stressed. I put him to sleep and I fed him a good meal. But yeah, my punches, I don't know, I've got a good knuckle for it, eh? There it is. Bang. And look, oh no, that, yeah, it started to scratch. Look, that's a scratch from my ring, man. Nice stone, though. Copped a fucking good punch. I was like, oh, I'll crack my stone. No. But, yeah. Kring. This is the stuff, boys and girls. Look at that, big, thick, freaking silver, man. That's what you're gonna need. I'm missing a diamond out of that, but that's a friend's. That's like gold plated. But a diamond dropped out. But diamonds, I went out with a girl who owned diamond mines. Man, I loved going out with girls when I was earning thousands of dollars a week. Girls that were like, that's nothing. My dad like owns a limo company. Or my daddy's la da da, la da da. And it's like, you're not with me for the money. And they go, nah, I got my own money. Daddy gave me buddy $1,000. What do you want to do? Let's go party. I'm like, yeah, girl. Oh man, those girls are so hot because like they're rich daddies. They get hot wives. Oh man, I love it. I love it. Love all of you, hurt by the cold. I'm lonely too. When you don't know yourself. I love all of you hurt by this cold. This cough drop.